morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm off to Spot X this morning. A little bit excited. I shouldn't be because it's probably going to be a disappointment, but the wind appears to be offshore. I haven't been out since the last disastrous fishing trip. The storm on the way home from that trip was horrendous, and we had 3 days of solid rain and high winds, and yeah, I haven't been out, haven't been able to skate or do anything virtually. So yeah, let's go to Spot X and see what we can see. Well, I've had a quick look up the top. It's looking really smooth. It doesn't look very big, but I'm out there. I'm not even going to bother going looking for a look. I'm just going to grab my board and go. Let's go surfing. Righty, first glimpse. The line's coming in. This might be rather nice. Actually, it's not that small. It's Saturday morning, so it's going to get crowded. I should have been here half an hour ago. Oh, I can see one breaking. I think the tide's pretty high still. Oh, that's a nice wave. Look at that. In a few days I haven't been out, but I can feel the difference. Camera's playing up. Here come the dolphins! Here come the dolphins! Here they are! Look at this! Woo! Look at these guys! Oh, fantastic! I hope this is recording. A dodgy takeoff. Oh yeah. Woo, 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 woo. There's one of those legs. Woo. Is it recording? Ahead. Too far in, and here comes the second one. Oh. come back. I might be able to film them this time. Here they are. Here's the guys. Look at this. Woo-hoo-hoo. Please let this come out, because I think the last time they came through, it didn't film. There he is. Oh, he goes. Now you'll get this. Oh, she didn't. That's too far in to the right. Oh, he's getting cold. Oh, looking for a wave in. Shivering. Too cold. Give me my white water shine, please. There it is. Woo. Some hot water, a hot cup of tea, and I'm going to go for a skate, I think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you want to. Don't forget to do something every day. And maybe, just maybe tomorrow, that's if it isn't dead flat.